So welcome to another Machine Monday. So I'm standing here with a long-standing colleague, Waldo, from our US office. And Waldo obviously has a passion for 3D printing. Waldo, you've made some interesting things here. Maybe talk us through, what is this?
This is the Tesla electric drive differential.
Okay, so how does it work? I have no idea how this works.
This is supposed to be the motor out in the Tesla, and then it drives through with a spline gear. And then that turns a bigger gear, which is attached to another gear, and that turns the outside of your differential gear, and then you've got a normal differential, open differential in the front.
Okay.
So when you turn that, all of this should start turning.
So basically I put electricity into here,
yeah, you put electricity
turns a set of gears, and this is obviously the differential to manage the...
This is just reduction drives.
And obviously reduction increases the power.
Yeah.
But reduces the speed.
Yeah.
The electric motors move very fast.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we've got this cool thing.
Yeah.
Talk me through what
that is a Harley-Davidson engine that is just cut away, so you can see pistons and valves and everything else move on it.
Okay, cool.
And then you can see the valves opening and closing on both cylinders.
Oh, yeah. And I see there's a little cable here. What is this?
Yeah, that is just electric motor inside. If you want to plug it in, it should turn it.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. But that's also got a hang tank, being a Harley-Davidson, you know.
Are you saying they don't start? And then this is the coolest one. What is this?
That is the Falcon rocket engine for SpaceX rocket.
The Raptor?
Yeah. The Raptor.
And you 3D printed this?
This is all 3D printed in stages. So like that was one print, that was one print, and then that piece was one print, and then a couple of separate other pieces.
Okay. Very cool. That's very cool, Waldo. So Waldo's our service manager in the US. So if you ever need anything resolved, he's the guy.
Anything printed.
Hit me up. Anything printed. Here's another Machine Monday.
Yeah. Thank you.